Installing or replacing sensor clips. First, clean the surface. Wipe the outside of the water chamber where the clips will be installed using alcohol and a paper towel. Allow the surface to dry completely. Place the S1 sensor clip with the tab facing up. Press the clips firmly against the chamber to ensure the adhesive bonds well. Now, place the S2 sensor clip with the tab facing down. This ensures the correct spacing and position for the sensors. Insert the sensors into the clips and close the clips with the caps.